Hello everyone, this is second session with Mr. Sobhagya, who is having 9 band in speaking. Okay, listening also. Okay, overall 8 band, 7799. Okay, so we are having some sort of queries from this gentleman. You are to just listen and you are to imbibe the thing, how to reply in final exam in IELTS. Okay, so the very first question: what type of people influence the young people in your country?
Pop stars. Without a doubt. I think it would be a waste of time if I spoke of any other people. When was the last time any of you heard that a doctor, like some kid in your colony says, I want to be like this doctor, or I want to be like very few athletes maybe, but it's mostly pop stars. I hear children singing Sidhu Moosewala songs more than like who they would want to become like in later in future. So pop stars. Pop star influence the most people, children,
Okay.
at all ages.
So, do you think it is quite crucial to have role models in life?
Sir, it is said in a basket full of rotten fruits, you put a fresh fruit, it will too rot with it. But in a basket full of fresh fruits, put one rotten fruit, that will tend to lose its ripeness. It is true. If we have idols to look up to, or places to visualize, or people to look up to, say, like people say they want to become like their parents or their role models. When you have an assigned goal or destination to reach to, you have this zeal to keep moving on, to keep becoming like someone else. That is really important, and I think that can be most easily done only with the role models.
Okay. So, do you think education of your country influences youngsters' the behavior of youngsters?
Well, of course, if I talk about earlier, the education was not so good, but day by day education is increasing, and the education system has been increasing for a decade as well. And we can see lots of engineers and doctors from India are in the world.
Okay. So, what are the leisure activities popular in your country?
It's playing cricket, it's posting about cricket, it's reading about cricket, it's either watching cricket, it's very seldom playing cricket yourself. It's also about playing video games based about cricket. So most of the leisure ends up either being about cricket or betting on it or selling about it. It's scary. It's really scary that other sports are deteriorating at the rate of how fast our rockets are, when we don't have many rockets also. But yeah, cricket is pretty much how an average Indian spends his leisure.
Okay. Is shopping popular in your country?
Well, of course, shopping is very popular in my country. Whenever people get salary, they go for only shopping with their. It has become passion. They, due to the hectic life of people, they only find a chance to go for shopping. That's why I can say.
People
It has
also say
become-
that it's
Very
therapeutic.
good. Okay. So, what is your opinion about online shopping? Youngsters are much crazy for it.
Yeah, definitely. I think it's when it started, online shopping was a lot like gambling. You look at a t-shirt, it's red in color, it looks soft, but is it? And you buy it, it ends up being feeling like khadi or something, and you're like, what am I supposed to do with this? I'm not gonna wear this. You try to send it back, and then you come across all the issues that is sending it back, packing it again. When I personally started online shopping, it was more of a homework than it was leisure. But then some kind soul told me about fashion camp. You go, you touch the cloth, you tell what the cloth is, you buy the cloth. If you don't like the cloth, you don't buy the cloth. I think that is simple. And that's how I personally would prefer my shopping. Go to the shop.
Okay. Do you consider online shopping that is always hijacked by advertisement only?
Hijacked by advertisements only. Definitely. I was looking for a way to sell my phone. I wanted to buy a new phone, so I wanted to sell my previous phone. I just searched once how to sell my phone online. Everything I do on the internet now, it's bombarded with please sell your phone here, sell your phone here, sell your phone in cheaper price, sell your phone in zero down payment. This I don't even know what these things are. I've already sold my phone. It's been 2 days. I'm still getting advertisements on how to sell my phone. I don't have a phone to sell. It's really efficient. It's obviously it's bombarded.
Okay. Do you consider shopping habits will change in coming future?
Well, the habit of shopping would have been changed, would have a big change in the future, because the life of people are being hectic day by day, and they have not sufficient time for shopping. That's why I can say they will prefer in the future for only online shopping.
Okay. What sort of sports are popular in your country?
I think I've already answered that question. But definitely, it has to be primarily cricket. There are all obviously other sports also taking up. Now, also, how could I forget? Regional sports, yeah. Kabaddi is on the rise. It's bursting. There is Kabaddi also. There are a lot of more regional sports coming up slowly. And not only that, not only are people enjoying these things, there are companies trying to support these sports to bring them up. They're making them live coverage. They're giving them like jerseys for their teams and everything. And people are slowly having a fan base. I think that is such a good thing. I mean, like regional sports are being given such a good platform. I also, would you believe it? I saw a Kho tournament on TV yesterday, and I think that was the best moment. I mean, in a very long time, I had been happy with the government, and that was one of those times. I'm really glad that these games are becoming famous slowly.
Okay. So, do you love traveling?
I love parts of traveling, but then there are parts of traveling I don't really love. I love parts of traveling where I get to see new things, I get to meet new people, but then they're costly.
Okay.
All trips are really costly. From a monetary point of view,
Okay. From Sirsa to Bathinda, you don't like.
not really.
Okay.
Actually, since I mentioned that it was price that was kind of setting. Okay, so like having fun in Gurgaon, it's fun, it's bright, it looks good on Instagram, all that is there, but it's costly, right? Personally, for me, a trip to Bathinda with friends would make a lot more sense than a trip to Gurgaon with a lot of money all by myself. Like personally, it's the company I've started to enjoy.
Okay. So, how would you love to travel by?
Oh, planes. Only planes.
Not for Bathinda, I think.
Yeah, no. I'll airdrop, sir.
Okay.
I'm personally. Remember Rasa Ram Babu's jet? He left it to me, sir.
Okay. So, what would be your journey by plane?
Like, I get to choose the destination also.
Yeah, definitely. As you are having plane of Asharam Babu. Okay.
It goes anywhere. Montreal, sir. I would love to prematurely visit the place that I'm trying to go to. I would love to go to that place before my visa arrives. So that when my visa arrives, they're like, where's the person? Like, was already there.
Okay, so do you remember any journey that was the worst journey of your life?
A week ago, before the day I came here, then there is a celebration. One day before that, I was coming from Gurgaon to Sirsa, and my cab got cancelled. So I was forced to travel with people I didn't very much know. So like my friend told me, okay, my friend is coming, you sit with him and you come. Simple. I was saving money. I was like, okay, let's do this. I sat in the car. Okay, that man was taking, like, he came to Gurgaon to buy things for his shop. माल उठाने आया था वो. So there was no space in his car at all. I was sitting there in the crockery. I don't know, man. I've never adjusted this much in my life. I came like this, sir. And there was glass crockery beneath my feet. So like even if I tried to move a muscle, no, something would make a sound and I was scared. I was on the car for free. I didn't want to pay any penny. Like even if I had to pay a penny, I didn't have any penny to pay. So I was like, I'm comfortable. He's like, are you fine, brother? I'm like,
Okay, any worst journey, the best journey of yours?
I was coming. I was coming to this institute right now from my house right now, and I right now I don't have a vehicle. My mom was supposed to drop me. I went out. I saw that she was outside walking the dogs. So I didn't have a friend to call. One friend I called, his phone was busy. So I came out. I literally wanted to. I was getting late. I was supposed to be here at 4 o'clock. I reached at 4:04. I left the house at 3:50. I know how I came here. I took a bike. I asked a guy to drop me as near as he can to the bus station. I'll get an auto to the pool or anything. I started running from. I started running from the bus station on top of the pool. So I was like, I'd get down. And an auto wala came and stopped me. Bhaiya, come sit, come sit. मैंने कितना लोग हैं? You know, come sit.
Very good. And these things should not be used in final exam. What the fellow said. Okay, very good.
Okay, well, if I'm supposed to give an answer like
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
I think you have been
I
sitting
came
here-
in a Ferrari. I sat on it.
No, like auto wala, you cannot use in final exam.
Definitely. I said I'm really sorry. I thought it was a
Yeah, it was not so like you just got lost somewhere.
Yes.
Okay, so do you find any difficulty while making friends?
Well, to be honest, my nature is like this. People makes me friend. I don't need to make them friends.
Very good. So both of them have come to different zone. Ferrari, okay, and he doesn't require to make friends. Okay, because
I want to make friend, but
very
I
good. So
don't-
you are Fevicol. When people
No,
come
sir,
to you,
no.
they expect to you.
I start. मतलब क्या sir?
So you are magnetic personality.
Of course.
Okay, so how did you gather this personality?
It's a part of inheritance.
Okay, from your parents.
I can say
Very good. So where did you get this haircut from?
it's a part of
Inheritance.
incident.
Yes.
I went to a barber and I said to him that I need only just a small
that
much hair. He showed me a trimmer and he installed a वो क्या बोलते हैं सर उसको आगे उसके ऊपर जो सीधा लगा होता है. He installed. He set a
That is size of the bomb. One
Let's
half
just call
of
it
the
an attachment.
Yeah.
They were looking like that much size, but when he started, then I found that I have lost something. He stopped, but sir, I couldn't fight with him because it's part of both of us. And I said to him that you should complete it.
Take all of them.
So guys, we are having such amazing guys with us. Okay, so the tone of this guy, that is from which area? Hisar. He is Haryanvi guy. Right now he has improved much. 1 month earlier his tone was altogether different thing. Okay, so for third session, मिलते हैं break के बाद.